Hello everyone, today's menu will be Asian pork bites. These little nuggets are super flavorful and coated with the perfect amount of sweet and salty glaze. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. I have here 3 pounds of pork and I'm just going to cut them into bite size. In the small bowl, I'm going to add in the soy sauce, and then the fish sauce and rice vinegar, and then the hoisin sauce, along with some honey, and then this is ginger powder and black pepper, Chinese spice, and I do have all the measurements in the description box down below. And this is some chili flakes, and then I'm just going to stir. This smells so amazing already. Okay. And then I'm just going to move over the pork, and I'm just going to pour this all over. And then I'm just going to mix it up to get the pork nice and coated. And you can go ahead and use your hands. Okay, now the pork is nice and coated, I'm going to grab a piece of foil okay, and then I'm going to refrigerate this for an hour. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pork is good. Then I'm just going to take it out, and with my hands I'm just going to place them onto a baking sheet. And then you are probably going to have to do this in 2 batches depending on how big of a baking sheet that you have. And do try not to let them touch each other too much. Okay, this is ready to pop into the oven, and I will be doing a second batch after this one is cooked. In a small pot, I'm going to pour in the leftover marinade sauce. I'm going to turn it on to low, and then I'm going to let it simmer until it begins to become a thin layer of syrup consistency. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes now. I'm just going to give it a stir, and then I'm just going to turn off the stove and remove it from the heat. The pork has been cooking for about 45 minutes, and then with the sauce, I'm just going to brush it over each of the bites. Okay, I'm going to pop this back into the oven. Here is the end results of the Asian pork bites. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!